Hey guys, it's Kate back at it again with another video, and I'm just gonna give you guys a short update on my life so far in the beautiful Ateneo campus. So one thing I love about Ateneo is that we have so many trees that give us fresh air, but like one thing I hate is that our profs give us so many papers and we end up wasting it all. So I want to learn more about paper and the functions of trees in the environment, so I'm gonna go around and take some interviews. We're joined with Paper. Hello, Paper.
Hi, Kate.
How does it feel like to be Paper in this society?
To be honest, for transitioning from tree to paper, I had high hopes for what life has to offer. But seeing how my community is treated in this campus, I've had my doubts if I really made the right choice.
Why do you feel this way? Can you expound?
Well, I can say that I'm happy and that I can help and serve the students. But see, 96.2% of the students have readings, and some of them are even required to print it, and the profs require them to bring them to class. And most of them only read the readings once or twice.
That's so sad.
Well, yeah, I guess I'm just sad how trees are constantly cut down to produce paper. Take this campus for an example. Will we reach to the point where the beauty of nature in this campus is sacrificed to create paper? I just hope not.
I hope not.
A few moments later.
I'm here with Luis, and I just want to know how paper is made.
Yeah, so it's actually quite simple. Really, all we do is we cut down the tree, then we slice it into bits, grind it up into pulp. Then I don't know what the guys down at the research do, but I heard they put some kind of chalk or like alkaline in it, just to so it's easier to press down into paper. So they add that stuff, they press it down. Then after that, they add more chemicals. Don't ask me, I'm not the scientist here. But eventually, they dry it up, then we ship it out, and we get the money.
That's a
Yeah.
very interesting process, Luis. But isn't that really bad for the environment, though?
I mean, yeah, sometimes the chemicals will, but a lot of people really complain about the cutting of trees. And yeah, it does reduce oxygen emission, but at the end of the day, can you really imagine a world without anyone using paper nowadays? It's just not possible.
A few moments later.
Hello vlog. My name is Secretary Joseph Makapuno. Uh,
Yes. So, what is the government doing about deforestation in these present times?
since deforestation led to the loss of 10.9 million hectares of forest cover during 1934 to 1990, uh, our former President Marcos issued a presidential decree number 389, also known as Forestry Reform Code of the Philippines, that protects and preserves our public forests, including national parks such as Manila Zoo. It was later on revised to Presidential Decree number 705 on May 19, 1975, that penalizes those who destroy forest lands without the permission of the authority. The problem with those presidential decrees is that they did not focus on the reforestation of these unproductive lands. That is why our former President Benigno Aquino III implemented National Greening Program, or Executive Order number 23, that aims to reforest 1.5 billion hectares of unproductive land.
A few moments later.
I guess it's something I can be proud of because all living organisms on Earth depend on us plants. Our role is called vegetation, and it is part of the biogeochemical cycles that produce water, carbon, and nitrogen. Forests can help ensure the regular flow of clean water and protect the ecosystem from floods and droughts because we soak up rainfall and release the water at regular intervals. Deforestation can make negative impacts on the nitrogen cycle because we help make nitrogen more accessible to animals so they can produce proteins, amino acids, and DNA. We are important in the carbon cycle because of photosynthesis. Cutting down on trees will release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, reduce the carbon dioxide absorption, and reduce the production of oxygen and glucose, which are essential to all life on Earth.
I'm back home now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in next week's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!